guys, I'm Deep and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this dewy makeup look, so let's get started. I will start with the hydrating moisturizer as the skin needs to be glowing and radiant for this dewy look. So here's a little hack that I'm going to share with you guys. I will scrape a little highlighter and mix it with my moisturizer. Then apply it all over my face. This will give me a lit from within glow and make my skin look more supple. To even out my skin texture, I'm using a blurring and pore-filling primer. I always use a primer as it gives the foundation something to cling on to, making it last longer. Next up, I'm going to apply the foundation. I am mixing a bit of the highlighter in my foundation for added illumination. Mix it well and apply it in quick dabbing and rolling motions using a beauty sponge. Now, I will use a bronzer to warm up the face and give it some definition. To give my crease some definition, I'm using a bronzer and blending it well. I will then add highlighter to the inner corners of my eyes. This will help my eyes pop and instantly appear bigger. Since it's a very subtle look, I don't want to overdo the eyes. Now I'm going to use a mascara generously to finish off the eyes. You can't do dewy skin without a touch of highlighter. Use a fan brush to dust it lightly on the high points of your face. Remember, you need a teeny tiny amount of product as you're applying it all over your face to create an illusion of overall dewy skin. So a little goes a long way. For my lips, I'm going to apply lip balm. And on the center of my lips, I'm just dabbing a little bit of lip gloss. So guys, I hope you liked this video. This look is ideal for a casual day out, so make sure to try it. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful.